Hello, I'm Dr.Kodlady Surendra Shetty, consultant spine surgeon at Spine Care, Magdi Road, Rajajinagar, Bangalore. Slouching means like bad posture, like sitting like this or sitting on a sofa. I mean, when we sit straight, that is the normal anatomical position for our spine. But when we slouch, when you are sitting easily on a sofa or on a chair or just leaning on something, all those we can say is slouching. So the problems with that is the muscle get fatigued. So muscles around the spine needs to be supported. Spine is a single bony structure around the center of the body. So it needs support from ligaments as well as the muscles. When these muscles get strained because of the slouching or when they become weak, then we can develop back pain. So that is why these slouchers usually develop back pain on and off, and that has to be corrected by posture correction.